Summerween, spooky fun in the summer scene. Paint it, craft and make it bright. Rustic Rose does howling right. But it needs a little help. Elevate, elevate, elevate it.
Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen friends, I want to come on here real quick and show you something that I recently picked up. And so if you're ready, here we go. I picked up this little guy. Let me bring it in close. Now this is exactly what it looked like when I picked it up. Okay, it's this cute little wooden calendar. Okay, and though it's cute, it's just not my style. So I wanted to show you what I had to do to elevate it. So real quick, if you're ready. This is what I did, friends. Let me bring it in close. I thought it turned out so cute. So cute. Anyway, the blocks, you can remove the blocks and turn them over. And of course, I like to pick these up, friends, because I'm getting ready to do a pop-up here in October, and I have a lot of moms come, and they really enjoy buying these from me, especially if they have kiddos. You know, it's exciting when Halloween comes or a special date is coming and they want to just, you know, make sure they're looking at the calendar or changing the dates. Anywho, this is really cute for them, and so this is a good seller for me. And so, anywho, real quick, let me talk you through what I did real quick. So, because it's a ghost, I went ahead and just went in with my Waverly chalk paint and the color Snow White. And then, of course, I used my favorite paints by Apple Barrel. I used Jet Black, Real Brown, and then for the cheeks, Princess Pink. And friends, you can decorate it and paint it any way you want to. And friends, I added that cute little spider web there, and I just made it my own, friends. I thought it turned out so cute. And real quick, if you can see right here, I did a little bit of what's called distressing. Some people call it shading, and it just adds dimension to your project. And all I do, friends, is just use brown Apple Barrel paint, and I use a little special brush. It's an angle brush. Let me bring it in close. And I have different sizes, and that's what I use. The other thing I use for my detailing work is I just use a little Sharpie black marker, for the spider web and around the eyes. And that's all I did, friends. And after it's all said and done and dried, don't forget to go back and seal it with some Mod Podge or your favorite sealant. And yeah, friends, I just had to come on here real quick and show you that you can go from this, which is okay, to this. Anywho, friends, I hope that I've inspired you to get crafting, and if I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to sprinkle me out. And real quick, friends, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm wearing a beautiful new apron that my friend Susan Woods made for me. I ordered it from her. Friends, if you're interested in aprons and you love to wear aprons, and you know what, friends, I know it's kind of old school and a lot of young people don't wear them, but sometimes you just need to protect your clothes when you're painting. Anywho, friends, you can find her here on FB or give her a direct message if there's a certain material or a certain style that you like. Anywho, Susan Woods, I just want to say thank you, friend. I just love my apron because you know I love pumpkins. Anywho, friends, I hope that you're having a great and wonderful day until we see each other again. Take care and bye-bye.
Summerween, spooky fun in the summer scene. Paint it, craft and make it bright. Rustic Rose does howling right. But it needs a little help. Elevate, elevate, elevate it.